Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple, easy but yet cute top, so stay tuned. So for this tutorial you're going to need about 1.5 to 2 yards depending on the size and the length of the blouse you are making. I'm just using scrap fabric here because I was making this for a child. So you want to go ahead and place your fabric on fold 4 times and then mark out the neck depth and neck width. So for the neck width I'm using 3 inches, and then for the neck depth for the front I'm using 3 inches, and then for the back I'm using 1 inch. Please bear with me, I'm kind of covering what you're supposed to be seeing, but I'm slanting the shoulder down by 1 inch. Then from that 1 inch you want to come down to your regular boo gown opening for the sleeve and just mark the point. Then here I'm marking out the blouse length minus 2 inches. The 2 inches will be replaced later as waistband. So now from the upper shoulder part you want to draft a curved line to meet at the waist point. To get the waist point you want to multiply your waist measurement divided by 4 times 1.5. Then you add your folding allowance, your side seam folding allowance. After drafting out this curved line, you want to go ahead and cut out your fabric. So now you want to cut out the waistband. Your waistband should be 5 inches wide. Then the length should be something that will enable you tie around your waist, something that will let you tie around your waist. If you have a straight piece, you can skip this step. This is me just joining up pieces of fabric so I can get a very long piece that will enable her tie around her waist. So now this is what we have. So now you want to place your back piece and front piece together with right sides facing, and sew 1/2 inch along the shoulder line. After that you want to open up your blouse and place it just the way I'm placing it, with shoulder lines facing each other, and cut a little line along the middle. You want to cut an opening like 3 inches is enough. Now you want to use bias tape to turn the neck, to turn the rough edges of the neck. So I'm starting with the V part of the neckline, then I'll go around the neck. Now you want to double fold both sides of the blouse, both edges of the blouse you want to double fold. Then now you want to mark out the midpoint of both the front piece and the back piece. Again, you can skip this entire process I'm doing with the waistband if you have a straight piece. I'm just joining up the fabric pieces to make a straight piece. mark the center point of your waistband on both sides. Now you want to pin the middle of the waistband and the middle of the blouse together with right sides facing, and then sew it down together. Then after sewing, you want to place the fabric on fold, the waistband fabric on fold and pin in place. Note, you are folding the waistband with right sides facing. Now you want to stitch along the belt to stop at the point where the blouse begins on both sides. Then turn out the belt. Now you want to flip this to the wrong side, which is the back of the front piece, and fold in your belt allowance inwards and pin in place. Then flip back to the right sides and sew a tiny line along the edge of the waistband. Now this is what it's looking like so far. Repeat this entire waistband process for the back, and then you're going to sew on a press button with hand needle onto the back neckline, and everything out so it's looking neat, nice and flat. And that's pretty much about it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial up until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below your thoughts on this blouse. Bye.